Leo, hold on. What is this? Guys, this is how you miss a 35x trade. What you're looking at is a 140-point drop in the shares of MSTR in last 2 trading days. Yes, we warned you about it, and we've actually posted the video, guys, but you could have all gotten in, okay, and still put together. At 35x trade, guys, for every $2,000 you would have put in this trade, okay, you would have ended up with $70,000. And guys, I've invited you to call us here at 13 Market Moves, guys. You could have been the guy that did it. Instead, you're probably going to be watching a lot of testimonials. Hit our trading channel here, and you're going to be watching other people explaining you how they've done it while you haven't. So make sure you pay close attention to some of the information we post in these videos. And when I tell you 100 times, guys, give us a call. There's some fucking phenomenal trades. Don't be the guy that just sits on the sidelines again next time. So 140-point drop. Guys, that makes it official the best options trade on Wall Street in the last 48 hours. This is how fucking good we're here at 13 Market Moves. Coin, based on the way options were priced, didn't do quite as good, but still, guys, it's a solid 17x around here on coin, guys. You could have done it. You could have done it. I posted the video while the stock was still like right here. You could have still done it. So the point is, you don't want to be missing the next trades. And guys, you missed out on this phenomenal opportunity to short coin and MSTR. The question is, what can you learn from it? So let's review some of the things that I have pointed out. So grab a pen and paper, write these things down. Often you hear us talk about divergences here at 13 Market Moves. A divergence is something that looks like this. Sometimes things are in the same sector, they're correlated, and yet some parts of the market already telling you where the move is going to be evolving next. So this would be in green, Bitcoin, okay? And the green line represents that the price in Bitcoin kept shooting higher and higher and higher while I showed you the charts of Bitcoin related things, such as coin, MSTR, MARA, and they were already doing this. So the point was that I made in the video titled Bitcoin correlations are turning bearish, okay? Meaning that components of the market, such as coin, MSTR, were already beginning to drop, but Bitcoin price kept going higher. And I pointed out in that video saying, look, this is a major bear divergence because in 99% of instances, Bitcoin price is going to catch up to the other market components. So guys, this was an easy trade to catch on shorting Bitcoin if you understood the red flags, if you understood the charts. If earlier I posted a video about the historic analog on Bitcoin that was screaming that there's going to be a major drop lower, but just review the charts, right? So this was a part of that video where Bitcoin is still up here, 46.5. Since I posted that video, it made one last bounce and collapsed. We're way under those levels. But you could have nailed this by observing the action in MSTR. MSTR, look, it was still trading close to 600 bucks. You see some spikes in volumes, some major bear patterns, bear crossings that I've mentioned in that video, how people were getting out and unloading it. And so clear drop, the beginning of the drop in MSTR, you could have watched it and said, hold on, MSTR keeps dropping. Why does Bitcoin keep going higher? You could have looked at the other part. You could have looked at coin. And you said, well, hold on, coin is down from $190 to $155, right? You got middle finger action going on here. You got divergences on the RSI that I have pointed out to. And guys, the biggest, you gotta, when you look at charts, in the video I posted a little while ago about the historic analog, I said put the charts in with the context. You can't just look at one candle and say whether something bearish or bullish. Put it in the context. And some of the greatest type of indication that has been working that could have given you another another reason to pull the trigger now, right? Market is about time. When you trade with leverage, when you trade options, guys, timing is everything, because you missed your entry by a little bit, you could get screwed if you're trading on leverage. And with options, yeah, you can miscalculate your entry. It's a lot better than trading futures when you utilize options, because even if you miscalculate your entry by somewhat, you could still come out as a winner by the time all said and done, by the time the options expire, let's say on a Friday. But the point is here, across all videos, I've mentioned this bear divergence on the RSI. So when you go review these things, okay, you take the context, historic analog, then you try to identify some divergences such as this. This is clear bear divergence, right? Price action keeps moving to all-time highs right here. Not all-time highs, but this last year, all-time highs. But the RSI does not follow. Same thing on MSTR, right? You get a bear divergence here. Guys, we spent an hour talking about all these different sorts of divergence in our charts, patterns, and charts divergence course. Take the course, damn it, guys. This is how you could have easily nailed the trade. And when you take a look at the Bitcoin chart, it was right here, right? So Bitcoin price is at 34,000. Your RSI shoots way close to 90. Bitcoin moves to 42,000. RSI now is at like 70, 80. And when Bitcoin shoots to all-time highs on this chart, referring to the recent highs, right? RSI doesn't follow at all. So RSI is doing this. This is your bear divergence. This is your bear divergence that tells you, look, okay, can we bounce a little bit more? Sure, but overall, we're about to begin this. So the whole point is, when you see this, let's say, I mean, it could be applicable, right? We're trading, for example, this week we're going to be trading energy sector. So oil prices are likely to go to the moon this week. And so if we're seeing some oil stocks that are doing this, right, and they're not reacting to the price move higher, then what do? You buy calls on these oil stocks, because overall, okay, these oil stocks are going to catch up to what's going to appear over the course of the next week, like a substantial move higher in oil prices. So you use these divergences, and if you are unable to identify these divergences on your own, guys, you go to 13mmtv.com, you schedule a call, talk to a coach here, because guys, this information is highly valuable. This is how you graduate from an average trader who makes like $1,000 a day. This is how you graduate to someone that puts together $1 million trades. And in order to put $1 million trades, you have to trade with confidence. You have to understand exactly what the chart is telling you. You have to understand these divergences. If you're just studying candles, if you're studying moving averages, guys, there's a lot of information on this chart before this big drop in Bitcoin happened, such as these RSI divergences, such as the divergences of things that are normally positively correlated to the price of Bitcoin. They're collapsing, right? But yet Bitcoin price is still holding up higher. So the next move is for Bitcoin price to drop. So I posted this video on correlations way before the Bitcoin dumped. Anyone could have studied this and put together some phenomenal trades, guys. I'm talking about trading Bitcoin with us on Phemex, highly profitable. Taking MSTR puts, highly profitable. Taking coin puts, highly profitable. All of these trades, guys, look at where these charts are at now. Look how quickly these charts are deteriorating. I mean, from the moment we've called the top above 700, this was January 2nd. Remember, I was going in explaining you guys the move to formation. This was a move to right here. Remember all the videos we've posted where I told you your ultimate moves that are going to make you a lot of money as a trader this year are not going to be your green moves. They're going to be your red moves, such as this move to right here, where basically something shoots up in the first half an hour and then it begins to dump. And it never stops dumping, guys, besides like this one little white candle right here. They're all red candles. So you need to understand. Here's another move to right here, right? It shoots above 600 and then it dumps. It's a move to. Learn how to trade the move to, guys. And you will nail it. There's more trades like this to come. And so anyway, from over 700 down to like 400s now on MSTR, guys. You were probably listening to the videos, you didn't take any action. Now you're looking at this chart, it's like, holy shit. Holy shit. I mean, there are videos where I told you that Bitcoin and Bitcoin related stuff was going to make a black candle. You can go back to those videos that were all posted in the last couple of weeks before this happened, right? We're pointing out to, look, this shit is about to get ugly. Get ready, short it. The whole world is fucking bullish. And what are we doing? We're shorting. We're shorting because we follow the moves. We follow the 13 market moves formula. There's so many moves twos, move threes right here. Learn how to trade a move 2. Learn how to trade a move 3. Learn how to trade a move 11. These are your bread and butter trades right here. 2, 3, 11. Study the moves, get the 13 market moves course, spend extra time on these 3 moves right here that will make you 90% of the money this year, 2024. 90% of your profits will derive this year if you understand how to trade a move 2, 3, and 11. I mean, look at the chart of coin. Guys, it's not like we've said it. Guys, look at this. It's here. You got 2 middle fingers staring at you now, saying you fuck Bitcoin ETF. Okay, this was the greatest shorting opportunity of all times. So all you had to do was sign up, trade with a coach, guys. You would have nailed this. Just last 2 days. Look at this drop from 160 to 130. And so now you're probably sitting there thinking, well, Leo, I'm going to short the fuck out of coin and MSTR and all of this stuff. Guys, options are so overpriced right now. Let me just say this. Everybody is scared shitless to pull a trigger on shorting something like this, okay? And I'll give you the secret how you can overcome that. There's an entire chapter in our charts divergences course that talks about a pattern that we identify as loss of momentum pattern. So this is a loss of momentum here on the coin. This is a loss of momentum here on MSTR. If you understand the loss of momentum pattern, you would have no problem shorting something while the whole world is bullish on it. You would have no problem shorting something and profiting when it drops, when the whole world is still bullish on it, when the whole world is doing what? They're buying the fucking dips, okay? Guys, we are most likely to go way lower on the coin, but right now, do you want to chase it? Do you really want to chase it? Yeah, coin can hit $100 next week, okay? MSTR can probably hit $400. But you've missed the gravy, and the reason why I say you've missed the gravy is because now it is apparent to the whole world that this shit is dropping, right? Anyone can look at this chart now and say, wow, Leo, this shit is dropping now. Yeah, the point is, we've told you 2 weeks ago that this was going to happen. So you want to identify major, this is a TRO, this is a trend reversal opportunity. You want to get good with identifying those because within days, okay, utilizing weekly options, you can make fortunes on this stuff, guys. Fortunes. This is a textbook example of a loss of a momentum pattern, okay, especially when you have clear signs identifying these black candles which signify top, top, top. You combine it with 13 market moves and you got one of the most profitable trades of the year so far, okay? Not talking about the trade we've caught on JP Morgan yesterday. I'll talk about the banks, guys, in the next few videos I'm gonna post, but 70x trade on JP Morgan, totally unrelated to what I'm showing you here in the charts, but it's based on a topping pattern. It's based on a candle formation just like this on MSTR, okay? See, it doesn't matter what you trade. You trade oil, crypto, you trade corn, you trade MSTR, you trade other stock options, guys. You gotta understand these patterns. You get good with understanding patterns like this candle structure. You throw some divergences in the 13 market moves in there. Nobody can beat you. The market cannot fucking beat you, okay? So if this is what you strive to do in 2024, catch some more freaking drops like this while the rest of the world they're still fucking bullish. And come Monday, yeah, we are going to drop more Monday, okay? Potentially we can get a bounce and then drop some more, but the market sentiment is gonna reach a high level of negativity next week because earlier I posted the video about the ETF nightmare Okay, there's going to be a breaking point for these ETFs. I don't know what it's going to be, but I think if people lose 50% of their money within first 3-4 trading days, most of the people already down 25-30% on the ETFs. Guys, it's going to be a major pain, and we're basically going to get an outcome exact opposite of an outcome that everyone was expected. And so there's going to be a point where this major pain is going to reach a certain level at which we will be buying. It's just not, we're actually going to be going long while the rest of the world is going to be highly negative on crypto. So that moment, we're not there yet. And at that point, your greatest trades are going to be on the call side. But right now, the whole world understands, shit, we're dropping. So the options that you could be buying Monday on this stuff, they're going to be so overpriced. There's no reason you're going to be able to do a 20x trade on this. Okay, for 20x trades plus, we're eyeballing some other stuff, which I'll talk about those in the next few videos. But guys, there's so many opportunities right now in the market. Okay, the whole world, as far as the indexes, S&P, Russell, Nasdaq, we have not even begun the drop yet. I mean, we're testing some waters like Thursday. Okay, Thursday could have been a 100-point drop on S&P. I'll talk about it in the next video where I'll show you the 60-point, the machines right now still within that 60-point range. We will break that 60 points. The machines will break. I don't want you to miss that opportunity, guys. So understand that the way you stay profitable as a short seller, you identify the TRO before the rest of the world fucking realizes it. And by the time that it looks clear to everyone that, hey, it's time to buy puts on these things, guys, puts are overpriced. So you've lost your fucking chance on coin and MSTR. Okay, can they still drop and can you still make some money on puts? Sure. But because of the way options are priced now, okay, they're going to carry a way greater premium than when we were beginning to short them here. So guys, understand this. You want to be a step ahead of the market. In order to be a step ahead of the market, you got to understand divergences, you got to understand chart patterns and 13 market moves, which I invite you to do that. Study it with the coach. That's the easiest way to do it. So go to 13mmtv.com or 13marketmoves.com. Sign up there to be the greatest trader you could possibly be this year, 2024. Catch the bounces with 13 market moves. Go after 20x trades. Enough of making this couple of $100 here, a couple of $1,000 here. Fuck that. The market giving you 20, 30, 50x opportunities. Take them. Take them with 13 market moves. Let's roll. So what was the last time you've taken $9,300 to $2 million plus? Guys, today on January 13th, 2024, I have a very special announcement. Congratulations to Jennifer, who just became a 13 market moves coach. Yes, over the course of the last 90 days, she has taken her account from 9,300 to 2 million plus. And for the first time, she is going to coach first 10 students, guys. It's a very special announcement because it's all was done foundationally on our Crypto Start course system. She's followed it flawlessly. Now, I will say that for the first 2 years with 13 market moves, she has struggled, but what last 90 days that is, guys. She totally outsmoked me in her performance trading crypto. And guys, for that reason, we're giving her a chance to be a 13 market moves coach, guys. So sign up to trade with Jennifer. Unfortunately, she can only take 10 students. So this offer is open only for the first 10 callers. So you go to 13mmtv.com, you click right here, this orange button, schedule a call. You ask when you get someone on the phone here, 13 Market Moves, you ask, you say, hey, I want to sign up to trade with Jennifer. Okay, guys, do not miss this chance, okay? And for an introductory offer, she's doing a crazy special, guys. It's like 99 bucks a day. You got to sign up for a week. And guys, she's taking trades on average. Her returns are 380% on each trade. So 380% is what she's targeting. Guys, this is your chance. This is first 10 callers. Honestly, she doesn't care if you're a man, if you're a woman. She doesn't care how old you are, guys. She's done it, and she wants you to do the same. So this is your fucking rock star moment. Schedule a call to trade with Jennifer today. January 13th, 2024.